Hello everyone! How are you today? Hope you're doing well. Welcome to the class. Tell me, how was your weekend? Did you have a good time? Did you enjoy your weekend? Did you have a fun time with your family and friends? Where did you go? What did you do? I want you to click on the link I shared with you and have a 5-minute practice with your friends and talk about what you did before the class, a day before, a week before, on your last weekend, or anything that has passed.
Alright, Ali, please choose a number. Number 4. Let's see. Ali, please ask Maria, did your mother make breakfast yesterday morning? Yes, she did. She made a great breakfast. Good job! Now, Mariam, you choose a number. 12. Let's see what 12 is. Mariam, please ask Sarah. Sarah, where did you go for your last holiday? Oh, you didn't go anywhere? You see, during the pandemic, everybody stays home. Thank you.
Today, we're going to talk about our favorite job. Tell me, what is your dream job? Have you ever decided what you want to do in future?
What does your father do? What does your mother do? What is your best friend? Do you like to have their jobs? What jobs are going to be well paid in next year? Do you think the jobs would be in person or online?
Have you ever thought about what qualifications you need to have to do such a job? Alright, now I want you to click on the link I shared with you and try to answer these questions. You've got 4 questions, and answering them will help you find your best job. Take your time and answer these 4 questions, and then we'll talk with our mates about the answers. You've got 5 minutes. Question 1. How many years of schooling does this job need? 2. What is the salary range for this career? 3. What are the hours like? And 4. Is this field in demand? I want you to take your time for 5 minutes, think about the answers to these questions, and then talk to your friends about them. We will share our ideas.
Alright class, I want you to click on this link I shared with you and try to search a job that suits you well. You can search by job title or keyword and also the location. Here, using this website, you can find the right fit. You can also choose between part-time jobs and full-time jobs. Work from home or no, work in person. You've got 5 minutes to do this research and then talk to your partners about the job you found.
Now class, I shared the link with you. It has very helpful suggestions about finding a job for your future. Watch this short film and try to find the secret to find the best job ever. A job that suits you well.
Now please click on the link and watch this short video. Let's see what it is about.
Ian, with so many people out there looking for jobs, how do I set myself apart from them as a candidate? What do I do from the beginning of the process of the application of the resume to get myself noticed?
Alright, next task is about getting prepared for an interview. I want you to click on the link and see the questions that are commonly asked in an interview. We will have a peer work of asking questions and answering them, the questions that are commonly asked in an interview.
Alright class, ready to have another game? This time, we want to practice the questions and answers commonly asked in an interview. Ready? Let's go. Alright, Sarah, please ask Ali. Do you enjoy working alone? Oh, Ali, you want to work in teams? You think you can do your job better when you're working with your friends? Good job. Now, Ali, please ask Mariam. How important is loving your job to you and why? Do you think loving a job is important? Or no, you can just do the thing that you don't love and you can just earn money. Now class, I want you to think about this question. Do you feel confident most of the time or do you struggle a lot? Please take your time for 2 minutes, talk with your partners, and think about how confident you are. And talk about how confident you are.
For the next session, I want you to record a video of yourself talking about your dream job and how you can get well prepared for acquiring this vacancy. Please upload your videos on your YouTube channel and ask your partners to watch them and rate them for you. And also write a well-formed resume for yourself. Try to imagine that you're going to apply for a job you've always dreamed of. See you around.